Chapter number 1. The surprising power of atomic habits.
Habits are the compound interest of self improvement.
Getting 1% better every day counts
For a lot in the long run.
Habits are a double edged sword. They can work for you or against you, which is why understanding the detail is essential. Small changes after appear to make no difference until you cross a critical threshold. The most powerful outcomes of any compounding process are delayed. You need to be patient. An atomic habit is a little habit that is part of a larger system. Just as atoms are the building blocks of molecules, atomic habits are the building block of remarkable results. If you want better results, then forget about setting goals, focus on your system instead. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Chapter 2. How your habits shape your identity. There are 3 levels of change: identity change, process change, and outcome change. The most effective way to change your habits is to focus not on what you want to achieve, but on what you wish to become. Your identity emerges out of your habits. Every action is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. Becoming the best version of yourself requires you to continuously edit your beliefs, and to upgrade and expand your identity. The real reason habits matter is not because they can get you better results, although they can do that, but because they can change your beliefs about yourself. Chapter 3. How to build better habits in 4 simple steps. Habit is a behavior that has been repeated enough times to become automatic. The ultimate purpose of habits is to solve the problems of life with as little energy and effort as possible. Any habit can be broken down into a feedback loop that involves 4 steps: cue, carving, response, and reward. The 4 laws of behavior change are a simple set of rules we can use to build better habits. They are: 1. Make it obvious; 2. Make it attractive; 3. Make it easy; and 4. Make it satisfying. Chapter 4. The man who didn't look right. With enough practice, your brain will pick up on the cues that predict certain outcomes without consciously thinking about it. Once your habits become automatic, we stop paying attention to what we are doing. The process of behavior change always starts with awareness. You need to be aware of your habits before you can change them. Pointing and calling raises your level of awareness from a non-conscious habit to a more conscious level by verbalizing your actions. The habit scorecard is a simple exercise you can use to become more aware of your behavior.